What's going on, everybody? Today I am going to go through right now it's not really it's not Halloween. I should have recorded this on Halloween, but I just saw this and I'm like, dude, I gotta show you this stuff. If you guys are afraid of what I'm gonna show you guys, oh god, I might cry for this. Oh god. I'm gonna lose all my subscribers for this. Oh Jesus! But I gotta show you guys this. I'm gonna cry. No, seriously, look. I'm having a tear coming down me right now. I'm gonna cry. All right. But anyway, it is just a true story of Jeff the Killer. What's this guy? Oh my God. Go. Oh no. Go to sleep. No one. Still no one. What is this? What are they saying? I'm scared to do this, guys. But I'm ready to do this. Let's get it. And my phone stuff, right there. Let's get rid of that. We don't need to see that stuff. Alright! But anyway, let's start. What the? Oh, okay.
Born in Acapulco, Mexico. He grew up in a small house with his family. He had a brother named Jimmy and one sister named Mary. His mother was a housewife and his father was a factory worker. So they were in a critical situation economically. Jeff was an introverted kid.
That's probably Jeff.
He didn't want to stay with other children.
That's Jeff.
And when the other kids teased him, he beat them.
That Jeff? Or is that someone else?
At the age of 17, he started doing bad.
I don't want to go into full screen because that's gonna
while
get.
He was drinking and doing drugs.
Dude, you're doing drugs?
At the age of 19,
I knew this would be a bad idea.
In the supermarket, but he was depressed.
I'm sorry, guys, but I just saw this and I'm like, I gotta show you guys
his parents discovered that Jeff was taking drugs.
Oh God, I'm gonna cry.
So they took away his money and they started to
I'm gonna try not to cry.
Jeff's situation deteriorated without drugs. He lost his job, and his parents didn't let him go out. Jeff was becoming mad. One day, he totally lost his head. He started to shake on his bed, and he started to get hallucinations all day. That night, while everyone was asleep, Jeff got off the bed. Without making any noise, he went in the kitchen, and he grabbed the biggest knife. His heart was hammering in his chest. His eyes were shining.
I should have done this.
He slowly opened the door of his parents' bedroom.
Cry.
He approached his mother,
I literally got a tear
falling. With the knife. A few moments later, Jeff came out of the bed.
Hide in the comments.
Dead on the bed.
Hide in the comments.
He slowly entered his brother's bedroom. He looked at him for one moment, and then he said with a deep, raspy voice, "Do you want to sleep?" Mary, Jeff's sister, she woke up. She heard a strange noise, but she wasn't sure of what she heard. She got off of her bed and went into the bathroom. After that, she decided to go in the kitchen and get a drink of water. But she noticed that the drawer of knives were open, and
this was not a good idea.
There. She was very upset at first, but when she turned around...
Wait, why did I pause the video? Oh god, that's not good.
She was shocked to see
No!
She saw Jeff with a bloody knife and a wide smile. He whispered to her, "Go ahead." After killing his family, Jeff came out of the house. He went into an abandoned house. He felt very tired, so the next day the police looked for him. And finally, they found him. The police brought Jeff into an insane asylum.
Nope, I'm already having tears. I'm not going to show my face again. I'm already having tears.
They put him in a room with a camcorder just to watch him. After 2 days and one night...
This is actually really good, so I'm going to hit a like button on this. This is actually really good.
When the nurse came into the room, Jeff was pretending to sleep. As the nurse closed the door behind her, Jeff jumped on her. The nurse took the acid from her pocket and threw it on his face. Jeff screamed and he started to strangle the girl. After that, Jeff came out from the room and he ran to the exit. He crashed into the glass and he broke the window. Then he ran away. The asylum cameras recorded these images. They showed that Jeff's face burned off acid, two scary red lightning eyes, and his wide red smile. Now, Jeff walks, and he's hiding in the city. Sometimes he goes into the cemeteries. He opens the coffin, and he steals the jewelry of corpses. And overnight, sometimes, he comes into the houses from the windows, and he's hiding in the closet telling you to go to sleep.
I think that's where I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna end this video right here then. Because that was a bad idea. Very, 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 very bad idea. I mean, dude, I want to know, this Halloween, last Halloween, I was a costume of a killer, so I want to know a killer's backstory. I mean, that was scary, man. Maybe not for you, but for me, oh my gee. I'm not watching that again. I mean, dude, I saw it. I mean, like, I've seen many things about Jeff the Killer, but I never heard his backstory. So I'm like, dude, I gotta show you guys this. If you guys already know the backstory of this, then put that in the comments below. I was hiding in the comments. Okay. But yeah, guys, that's just where I'm gonna end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, because I did not enjoy this video. It's a bad idea, but I had to show you guys it. But if you're also new here, subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.